Okay, we'll see if we can get this video. I have the phone just propped up, so hopefully it stays there while I do the taillight video so you can see how it's actually going to work. I'm going to walk in front here, and what I'm going to do is turn on the parking lights, and then I will hit the brake lights, turn the parking lights off, and then turn the brake lights off. So here goes. There's the parking lights, and they should all be working. Yes, they are. And I hope the video comes out good, because last time the video, the light was a little bright for the camera and it didn't come out well. So here comes the brake lights. There's brake lights. And they should all be on. Yes, they are. And with that, with the brake lights working, I expect the turn signals to work the way they should. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try them now. I haven't tried them yet. So let's go. I'm going to leave all the lights on. There is left. Oh, hey, guess what? It works. And we'll go to the right. And that works also just the way that it should. With the taillights on, you can see that. They don't ever go out, but they go dim. So here's without the taillights, with the brake lights on, still working, and the other way, and working just the way that it should. There's without the brake lights. As you can see, fairly bright. And the other side, without the brake lights. And that pretty well concludes my test. It works. Thank you for watching.